What's up, guys? I want to give you a few free tips for your boudoir business in this video, not after an email address, not after a webinar. And if you give me just about 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get more clients even if you've never shopped before. And then for the people who are a little bit more advanced, how to upsell almost any client. Both of these tips are coming from my Boudoir Accelerator course. So the first one is how do you get more people in the door even if you don't have any work to show? We all know that getting started is the hardest part. People are going about it the wrong way. Come over here and I'll shoot you for free. Hey guys, free photo shoot. I'm just looking for my portfolio. Now there are a few things that are wrong with that. The first is that it's me. The second is that boudoir photos are not the typical thing that you would just go off and do with somebody who doesn't have any experience or is just looking to do it for free. And the third thing is that they're not really gonna feel any loss if they don't shoot with you. So I flip the script. Instead of saying, hey guys, free photos here. Hey guys, I need pictures for my portfolio. I'll shoot you for free. I say limited spots are available before pricing goes up next month. I'm only opening up 2 slots for photo shoots. And the third one is message me with why you want to have this experience. So let's break this down really quickly. So the first thing is that it adds value to what they would normally be paying. If they want a photo shoot that's valued at $500, but they want it for free, they have to act now. The second thing is that there are limited spots available. So if they don't act now, somebody else is going to get this experience that they may want. And the third thing, invest them in the process a little bit more. It makes them write down why they want to have the photo shoot and therefore be more invested in the experience. This is going to reduce the number of flakes and increase the number of people who are going to inquire with you. So I hope that tip helps get you started. The next tip is one of my more advanced tips. This is for anybody who's making $750 to $1,000 in their photo shoots already, but they want to get that average up. They want to make more money with each client that they have. Now, this is one of the most valuable tips that I have in my Boudoir Accelerator course. How many of you have been through the experience of clients trying to narrow down their photos? What they do is they say, let me see those 2 photos side by side. And then they choose their favorite photo. But I figured out a hack that has gotten them to include both photos, and it works almost every time. So the way that you overcome that is you create the album with the client there. What'll happen is they'll see picture A and picture B side by side in the album, and instead of saying, which one do I like better, they will say, oh my gosh, I love them both. I love them together as a pair. And this will result in making it a lot more difficult for them to be deleting their photos, which will allow you to sell more images. Thanks for sticking around and watching. I hope that was super beneficial for you. If you do decide that you want to see another free tip, I've got 5 minutes of my 25 best-selling boudoir poses video is available that you can just go ahead and watch. Click on the link, go check it out, learn some new poses, and I hope that gets you closer to where you want to be in your boudoir business. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next video.